Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a very serious issue, that is the misuse of the law enacted in favor of the woman to protect the rights of the woman. Nowadays, the misuse of such laws are increased. Many people committed suicide because of the torture, because of the back-to-back cases filed by the family of wife, including wife and the husband and husband's entire family, including father, mother, brother, sister-in-law. Everybody is being implicated in such cases. So, in a case called Rajan versus State of Madhya Pradesh, which was decided in 2023 by Justice Vivek Rasya, it was held that women coming with package of 5 cases: 498A, Domestic Violence Act, Dowry Prohibition Act, maintenance under Section 144 of BNSS or 125 of CRPC, and other allegations of harassment, of torture, or common intention, and the packages of cases are being filed. Because of that, many husbands are committing suicide. Atul Subhas committed suicide in the month of December 2024 because of the harassment caused. The husband and wife live in one city, and the wife goes back to her own city, and then she files case there just to harass husbands. Not only husband, I'll tell you one example where husband lives in Bangalore, wife lives in UP somewhere, father of the husband, they live in some other location, and case is filed in some fourth location, and it is a disturbing situation for everybody, even though we all know that in such cases nothing will happen, no punishment, because it cannot be proved, all false allegations. But the process is itself punishment. To harass the family of the husband, to harass the family or in-laws, to harass the relatives, it is used as a common tool by wife, and she goes to the lawyer, she goes and files a case for the domestic violence, maintenance, dowry prohibitions, the violation, harassment, and there are many cases. In Atul Subha's case, the wife of the family and other members, they filed a case for the murder, where the wife father was died by heart attack or some continuous disease which he was suffering from past 10 years, and the murder case was filed against the husband. So this is the extent of the harassment nowadays people are facing, especially male community is facing. So it is important, and Justice Vivek Rasya very rightly held that women coming with 5 cases package, filing cases against husband and harassing the husband is not right thing. He quashed the case, and also he said, he draw the line that okay, if somebody coming after 1 month or 1 year and filing case for the harassment, somebody lives in some other city, the wife files a case in India, and after that she goes back to some other country to work, and here the husband and the family is being harassed in such cases. So now it is good that judiciary has taken action, judiciary is doing something in this field, and this is a known fact now among everybody that such cases are existing. And even Supreme Court has raised multiple times concern about such harassment cases. So what husband has to do in such cases? Immediately when cases are filed, be mentally prepared. The family of the husband has to mentally be prepared. Then nothing happens in such cases. There is no punishment until unless it is proved. No immediate arresting is there. Cooperate with the court proceeding, and take the evidence in case of you are able to prove that. Now the protection for the male is less. The law is totally favoring women, but in this case also we cannot be punished until unless we are guilty. That much faith we have on our Indian judiciary system. It is slow, but yes, what we cannot do that. The law is favoring women. That there also we cannot change much. But what we can do, we can file a case in case of wrong cases are filed. We can file a counter affidavit. We can also approach the superior court for questioning of such fake and false FIR. So the best option is whenever FIR has been filed and it is failed, fake as FIR, immediately the person has to go to the High Court and file a questioning petition to quash such FIR and or get a stay in such cases. In case family members are deciding different part of the cities and everybody is implicated, then such recovery proceeding also should be filed after the case is finished and after the court gives some kind of positive orders in favor of the husband. Now the husband should not get worried, because this is a thing we all have to accept that in such cases we have to be very, very careful. Hindu Marriage Act is also favoring women, domestic violence 498A, and all the cases, all the sections which are provided are in favor of the women, because once upon a time the women community was really in danger. There were a lot of violence, and still the violence is happening against women. So because of this domestic violence misuse, the real culprits are not being caught, because the normal common perception of the court also is domestic violence cases are has to be taken with caution, proper care has to be given, and no immediate arrest. So in this case, some real accused persons, some real criminals are getting escaped. So we all have to understand the situation, and we all have to respect the Indian law. And person, whenever you face that you are suffering from any kind of domestic violence, you are suffering from any kind of financial torture by wife, you can immediately contact a lawyer and get help. Make sure that there is a workaround. It is not a very difficult situation, and it's very common nowadays. So many male community who are thinking about committing suicide, because in this year, in 2025, I myself got 3 to 4 cases related to husband committing suicide because of the torture of the wife. And it is very, very sad situation to know, but we don't have any other option. We have to bear with the law, and also we have to be prepared. We have to have some good advocate handling our case, and also In case if you have any evidences, if you feel that the conduct of the wife is not good and she may go and file a case against you, start collecting evidence against her, start collecting digital evidence, videos, audio, start collecting documentary evidence to safeguard yourself in the future. So make sure that you collect evidence, and you always be prepared for some situations. If it arises, there is a workaround. Do not feel suicidal, do not suicide, or do not take any extreme decisions. There are always workaround. Thank you so much. My name is Vinay Singh, and I hope this video was informative for you.